Well, it is the juiciest time of the year. So glad I got to say that. It's National Peach Month, and our next guest is combining the fruit and the flakiest buttery goodness into one.
What a great combo, right? The Biscuit Queen of New Jersey, Cynthia Christensen, is here with a recipe of the two treats that is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon snack. So welcome, Cynthia. Thanks for coming back.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Great to have
Have you guys met before?
No, we met in the break.
Well,
We
this is
just met.
So you
can smell
know
that.
she's the Biscuit Queen, but she always comes bearing a drink gift,
Oh,
a
I'm all on
bevy,
board.
a bevy.
A girl gets thirsty.
A girl gets
So
thirsty.
this
What do you
is
have?
Especially
peach
after pickleball, right?
rosemary peach nectar. I used rosemary from my garden. And I know I'm that girl. Anyway, and I made peach nectar, and we're just topping that off with a little bit of fizzy water.
Okay.
And a little more rosemary from my garden. A couple of peach slices.
If you tell me these peaches are from your garden, I may fall.
Are they?
No, just for fun, I would love to do that.
Oh,
I actually contemplated it for a second.
Well, cheers to you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Fantastic.
So, happy Peach Month.
Yum.
The rosemary gives it a nice little
Right?
Oh, that's delicious.
So
This is a perfect
you
way.
could add, you
Yes.
could do a Bellini with a little prosecco if you wanted to, but
I like it just
I
like
like it
this
just like
right now.
this.
Okay.
So a couple of things
Talk
I
to us
love.
about the peach.
The peach.
The stone fruit.
Okay, so depending on the time of year it is and different varieties, you might get what's called a clingstone or a freestone, or what I got this morning, which is a semi-cling. And you never know. You don't know until you actually cut into it.
Oh.
And you just go around the
The
circumference.
two varieties are just roaming amongst us.
Really?
In the produce
There's
department.
a difference.
There is a difference. Sometimes freestones tend to be a little bit larger, but that one's a freestone. So it opened right up.
Oh, so what's the for the other one?
So this one, the seed pops right out.
Okay.
So if you
And
have
this
trouble
one-
getting it off.
This one I had to use a little,
So
And
that
that's
would be.
the-
yeah, I had to use a little muscle.
Okay.
So you don't know until you get it. But if
Every
you
day.
get one that's a clingstone like this,
Okay.
and you want to cut peach slices off, you just go around like
You
that.
just go around the
and you
pit.
pop them off, just like that.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So
Oh, that's-
it's fine. So that's what I had to
Okay.
do with these. These were clingstones.
So if you get a clingstone, you've got more work.
You got
out
a
for
little
you.
more work, but
Okay.
you know, it's worth it. I don't peel them. You can peel them. I don't
Why
mind.
peel a peach?
First of all, that's extra work.
So why is the peach perfect for a pastry, et cetera, et cetera?
It has a little bit of tang, but it's got that nice sweetness behind it. And also, unless you just cook the heck out of it, like, you know, stew it, it doesn't break down and become mushy. So it's perfect for layering in a cake like this strawberry peach buckle that I
Yes.
made.
Okay.
And it's great. I made a peach frangipane galette that we're going to do now. Frangipane is just that stuff that you put in an almond croissant.
Oh, of
I
course.
see. But for those that don't know what a galette is,
A galette is a lazy man's pie. It's called a rustic.
lazy
It's a
man's
rustic
pie.
pie. In France, they call it a galette. In Italy, it's a crostata.
Okay.
And so the almond cream is just like almond flour and some butter and egg, and it puffs up in between all the peaches, as you can
Okay.
see in here.
So
And
you have a dough of sorts.
This is my own pie dough I made.
Don't be ridiculous.
Of
Of
course.
it's
Of course, I made my own pie dough. Get out of here. And then for
And
a
then
galette,
the-
all you do is you fold it up like this.
Oh.
And that's
okay.
it. And then you bake it, and it comes out
Look how pretty
just
that
like
is.
this.
But do you have to have the perfect manicure like you also
Yeah.
when you're folding over? 'Cause
You know what?
Your
Mommy
nail,
and-
your nail game is strong right now.
Mommy indulges herself. And so,
Oh my goodness, that's almost too pretty to
I
eat.
feel like I should probably.
and you can just eat it with your hands because, you know,
Oh, it's
I
like
didn't bring a
little
fork.
pizza. And survey says.
You're not going to like this. I should
Oh,
probably.
okay.
I should probably take the rest. No. This
So-
is really good.
Thank you. So that it's just this cute little package, and you just bake it, and it bubbles up, and it's beautiful, and it's the easiest pie in the world.
Okay.
And it has a perfect crust to filling ratio,
Okay.
in my opinion.
But you also brought your famous biscuit
Let me get out
with
of
a
the way.
twist.
Let me get out of the
What
way.
is this about?
Well, these are my peach biscuits, which
Okay,
are
I'm gonna
great
move you
peach
beautiful
cobbler
flowers.
biscuits.
Okay.
But what we're going to make now is we have a peach cobbler,
Okay.
and
What do you need?
peach cobbler. No, I got it all.
Okay.
These are
Okay.
my warming spices,
Okay.
a little cornstarch, and a little bit of brown sugar.
Oh,
Makes
I
the
love
medicine
brown
go
sugar.
down.
And then you're just going to mix all that together. And just go ahead and pour that right into that pot, right into
This?
that cast iron pan. Yep.
This is
just
a
pour
peach
that right in.
cobbler.
Peach cobbler. And then I like to dot the top with blackberries. because it adds a little tang. So if you want to pop some, just anywhere, you can just sprinkle them or you can put them by hand. Yeah.
Okay. Anywhere? Okay.
It adds just a little tang and a little bit of little pops.
Sure.
All right.
And they don't have a lot of seeds like a raspberry does, so they're not obnoxious.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, then this is my regular biscuit dough, and the thing is, it's made with brown sugar.
All
Hold
right.
up. You're a friend of the show. I know you keep your biscuit recipe in a Ziploc.
I do the original biscuit recipe, yes.
Have it today.
I
That's
don't
fine.
have it today.
That's fine. That's fine.
Well, before we run out of time, so then what will you do with that?
Okay, so then all you do is you scoop your biscuit dough on top.
That's it?
That's it. You scoop it on top. You
Wow.
bake it,
And through the magic of television.
and through the magic of television.
Now, Hazel, you try this one.
Oh my goodness.
You try
This is, by
one.
the way, this is my wedding
Oh my gosh.
cake cutter. I
Well-
always bring that when I come for you
Well,
guys.
while I try this.
Biscuit Queen.
Oh,
Thank you
my
so much for
goodness.
helping us celebrate National Peach Month. If you can visit her website
gonna
at
use my hands.
butfirstwebrunch.com or on the gram.